Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Candlelight service. Part 2. The friend woke up and noticed what was happening. She started screaming as well because she's fighting for the young lady while the entity is pulling her towards them. The entity pulled the young lady from her friend and the friend pulled her back, so it was a battle between the friend and whatever it was. The rest of the family woke up and came into the room. One of the aunties anointed the young lady with something that she didn't recognize and told her that she will be fine. Early the next morning, the young lady woke up and they were all talking about the incident. They asked her the reason she left the room the first time, and she told them about the man she saw by the doorway. She described the man to them, and they showed her pictures of the same man. The man by the doorway was the grandfather's duppy. They believed that he was the one who attacked her that night. That morning she just wanted to leave the house. Her friend was helping her family with the cleaning up after the candlelight. The young lady was so traumatized that all she did was just sit and wait. They finally left and was on their way home. They took a taxi, and there were two women in there who started speaking in tongues. They started to pray and rebuke whatever presence they felt in the car. The two girls were in the back of the car and looked at each other but remained silent. They had a feeling that the grandfather followed them. All was well and they were back home. The young lady could not sleep for a couple nights well. She would wake up screaming just like she did at the house, not knowing why she woke up like that. She was not having a nightmare or anything. She would have a few dreams of people entering her room. She also saw him enter her room that night. It all stopped the moment her friend left her place. They were living together. It seems as if the friend's grandfather was following her.
Like and follow for more.